Um, the next thing to bear in mind in gambling SEO is link building tactics. There's tens of thousands of gambling sites out there and tens of thousands of reviews, but ultimately what it comes down to is link building. Everyone's got a, I mean, take Bet365, for example, there's probably tens of thousands of reviews out there. How's Google going to decide which one ranked best? Ultimately, it comes down to backlinks. So I'd strongly recommend that you only stick with white hat link building. You can go to Black Hat World and Fiverr, etc., and buy millions of links for a penny each, a cent each, but ultimately they don't do anything. The backlink building is all about quality over quantity. And you can probably go and buy a million links for $5 on Fiverr now, but they won't do anything. Google will just have a look and see that spam, and actually it will cost you money in the long run because you've taken your site backwards with black hat tactics. So the main way that we build links, initially guest posting. So we write value-packed articles for other gambling blogs or general media, social media sites, and we place those. Try and make your links, try and make the articles on your links anywhere from 500 to 2,500 words. You can put rich media in there, schema-type data like tables, that type of thing, that helps. And we generally advise that you have one or two links within each of your articles, and try and make those links so that it matches your target keyword. The next thing that we recommend is link exchanges, reciprocal linking. It's certainly not as powerful as it used to be, but there is value in linking with other sites. What we sometimes do, particularly with our local SEO, is we create a page for link exchanges, and we might have up to 50 business directories and blogs and such like, where we put all of those on the same page, and then we try and, on the other hand, swap those for a homepage link. So for instance, we've got a list of maybe 30 or 40 business directories. They will only let you do a listing and link to you if you link to them. So we put them all on one page and then get those to link to our homepage, and it works really well. The next thing we recommend is niche edits. So if you can get placements in existing content, that works really well. Contextual links are especially powerful. Doing something original with statistics and research always works really well. So if you can put together an original study or a white paper, like for instance, the average RTP by slot game provider, or the top betting events by country in 2025, that's something useful, interesting, people haven't seen it before, it's unique content, it adds value. That's the sort of content that you can pop out to the press and they'll cover it. For instance, on one of our local SEO campaigns recently, we interviewed 4,000 people on LinkedIn via polls, didn't take long, collected a load of votes, put it together in an infographic, put it on a homepage, and we popped it out to 50 newspapers, and half of them covered it. Took me about a day's work, but got into a load of newspapers, saved me thousands and thousands of pounds in link building budget. Plus, it was also natural because the papers all covered it. They linked to the homepage because that's where the infographic was with more details. It worked really well. Something that you want to avoid is paid links and PBNs. There's a lot of private blog networks out there that Google has tagged them as spammy. So if you go on them, it actually takes your site backwards rather than forwards. So on the face of it, you say, hey, look at this guy. He's got loads of good sites. They rank really well.